Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's simply me, Tay, and I am here with another motivational cleaning video. So as y'all can see, my kitchen is a hot mess. So I took this morning to go ahead and get it clean, and make sure you stay to the end to see what ended up happening. I always start by clearing off the counters because that gives me a lot of space to work with and just the clarity of not having everything everywhere out in my view. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Tay and I do all things mom life, cleaning motivation, organization, some days in the life, and things of that nature. So if you like that kind of content, I would love for you to smash that red button below, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell notification so you know when I upload on my weekly basis. Also, go ahead and head over to Instagram and follow me over there. It's a bunch of shenanigans. It's everything under the sun. So I didn't need to do a full refrigerator cleaning. I just needed to do some spot cleaning and take out the stuff that was expired or empty, and then just wipe it down so that there's nothing sticky or crummy in there. I had to do a little bit of scrubbing. I need to get a scrubber, so if you have one, link it down below for me so I can go and check it out. I did, however, need to do a deep clean of my stovetop, so I took everything off. Later in the video, you'll see me putting everything into the sink with some soapy water and scrubbing it really good before putting it back on my stovetop. Do y'all see the mountain of dishes? I feel like those dishes are Goliath and I am David, and I'm gonna slay them, but it's real intimidating. And don't mind the dancing throughout the video. I had my Google Home playing all kinds of old school jams, SWV, and everything. So I was dancing and singing my little heart out. Okay, so my question for y'all is, do you put everything in your dishwasher, or do you save certain things for hand washing? Of course, if it says not dishwasher safe, you hand wash that. But other things that you can put in the dishwasher but you just choose not to, let me know those down below. For me, I choose not to put my pots and pans in there unless they're old, because I feel like it's going to ruin them. All right, y'all, so I had to stop and go pick up my son, and we decided to head on over to Costco and pick up those groceries. Then I had friends come over, and so this is the next night where I had did some more cooking, which made more dishes that I had already washed, and I just needed to re-up my kitchen because I didn't get to finish with you guys, so I wanted to make sure this was a complete video so you get a little bit extra dish motivation and some countertops and table as well. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen my Instagram stories. My girls came over and we had a taco night. We made tacos and we were playing the Mexican train game and drinking wine because y'all know those 5 wine glasses were not just for me. That was for me and the ladies. So make sure you follow me over there because you get to see the fun. I am still loving this Jaws glass cleaner. It gets my table so clean and so streak free. I absolutely love it. There is nothing I could say about this other than great things. So if y'all haven't picked it up, you need to. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you in the next one. We're going to be bringing some holiday decorate and clean with me's.